Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have the spoilers for the Slay Glam box for the month of May 2023, and I'm so excited to share them with you. Really quick before we get into the spoilers, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You get a palette in every box, and if you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. It's not a code that I make any money off of, it's just a code to save you a little bit of money. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump into the spoilers. So spoiler number 1, I always start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. And this is from Amoras, and this is the Pearl Paradise palette. So in this palette, we're going to get 32 shades. This is going to be a huge palette. Basically, this is your one-stop shop palette. It's got a ton of variety of shades in here. I honestly think that this is a great palette for summertime. It has so many different colors in here. I'm so excited to get this palette. I can't wait to try it out, and I've never tried anything from this brand before either. Spoiler number 2 is a product from Rude, and this is the Starlit Glitter Lipstick. This is their supercharged formula, so it shifts tones. Basically, it's a duochrome lipstick, and I am so excited for this. This is going to go so perfect with all of the Rasha B Cosmetics palettes that we've been getting lately with all of the duochrome colors in them. So I am so excited for this lipstick. I cannot wait to see what it's going to look like. Okay, so spoiler number 3 is a product from Bo Babe Beauty, and this is a blush, and this is the prettiest pink. It's like a Barbie pink to me. This color has been like so popular lately, so for us to be getting this in this box is great timing. I cannot wait to try out this color. I actually have a liquid blush that is going to match this perfectly. So I'm so happy to get this. I can't wait to try it. I've been super into blushes lately. Okay, girl, spoiler number 4 is going to be a product from Rachel Couture. This is a face and body shimmer spray. It says it's made with natural ingredients, it's non-toxic, it's paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. I love, love, love body shimmers for summertime. It's just a cute little glow for summer when you go out and you're wearing your tank tops, wearing your shorts, spray it on your legs. I really like to use a body shimmer every year, and I even like to add a liquid highlighter to my lotions just to give a nice little healthy glow. But yeah, I'm so excited. I think it's pretty cool that we're getting this in the subscription box. I really like that. It's something different, you know? Okay, girl, so for the 5th and final spoiler for the Slay Glam box is going to be a product from Oaklawn, and this is going to be a brow pencil in the shade Coffee. Now, this was a kind of last minute product because she was trying to get a different product, but it just is not going to be in on time, and it's going to cause delays in the shipping. So she opted to go with this product. Now, if this product doesn't work for your eyebrows, you can always use it as a eyeliner or a lip liner. It doesn't just necessarily have to be for your eyebrows. Okay, so I'm most excited, I think, for the lipstick. I can't wait to try that. I'm curious to see a duochrome lipstick. And the face and body shimmer, I'm excited for that because that's just a different product that you normally don't get in monthly subscriptions. But as always, girl, let me know what you're most excited for. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!